ARWEAVE has been doing great since it initially became public. From its progressive plan to store the historical backdrop of humankind for all time, the innovation of information stockpiling backing it up likewise affected many individuals overall in its desires. The weighty aggregation of ARWEAVE tokens this year additionally recommends that the confidence in this thought will make long-haul impacts. This is likewise stressed on the grounds that it as of now holds the position of number 80 in the top cryptographic forms of money on the planet. Yet, is the gigantic unpredictability it has been going through for the beyond 2 months an amazing opportunity for going bullish pattern on our token? We should figure out the drawn-out ARWEAVE cost expectation and more deeply study the network. ARWEAVE technical analysis. Starting from the start of the last year, the value activity of ARWEAVE denoted a critical bull run. Be that as it may, these cost levels were not supported over the course of the following couple of months as the ARWEAVE cost slowly declined in a descending pattern. This continuous downfall took the ongoing cost of ARWEAVE digital currency beneath its 50 days moving normal to date. The cost of ARWEAVE began a bull pursuit weighty crypto market support in August 2021. Sending the cost in excess of 400% upwards. This expanded the unpredictability, and the ARWEAVE cost remained exceptionally unstable till the finish of the last year. The accumulation, distribution indicator shows no critical gathering at this point, yet it ought to be noticed that the greater part of the development occurred in the principal quarter of the last year. Thus, contrasted with the general value development of the last year, the ongoing collection isn't just colossal. The Bollinger Band's examination shows that high instability was experienced from the very start of the last August till December 2021. In the primary quarter of the last year, the ARWEAVE cost was exchanging sideways, and gigantic market support pushed the cost upwards, making an improving crypto market from January to April with its cost changes. From that point forward, the ARWEAVE cost shot upwards again on high unpredictability was in August, when the RSI marker began making an overbought signal. It ought to be perceived that the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is best utilized in a sideways moving ARWEAVE cryptographic money market, so it is as yet extreme to say whether the cost will stay stable for quite a while. The ongoing RSI level doesn't demonstrate any oversold or overbought signals, so until further notice, it is judicious to stand by. It will be a superior procedure to long or short in view of the opposition level for the ARWEAVE. The opposition level is $35 and the help level is $31. As per our cost forecast, it is anticipated that the ARWEAVE cost will reach $94.591 in the following year. With a 5-year productive venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 709.33%. Your current $100 venture might really depend on $809.33 in 2027 according to the projection of wallet investor specialists. As per the most recent long-haul ARWEAVE cost figure, the ARWEAVE cost will hit $172.20849 toward the finish of 2022 and $405.9488 toward the finish of 2023. As indicated by the ARWEAVE gauge, the cost of ARWEAVE is supposed to reach $96 by 2023. We have utilized specialized examination and prescient information displaying calculations to track down additional insights regarding the eventual fate of cryptographic forms of money. We have involved a similar technique for the ARWEAVE cost expectations for the ARWEAVE token over the time of the following 5 years. The ARWEAVE projections depend on principal investigation and investigations of the ARWEAVE coin image's presentation till now. Despite the fact that utilizing verifiable qualities to foresee the future cost isn't the legitimate sign of the value, it ought to be noticed that this isn't a horoscope. Financial backers should comprehend their gamble resilience and need to enter the monetary business sectors. As cryptographic forms of money are profoundly unpredictable and likely to gambles, there generally lies a likelihood that the entire situation could come disintegrating down. So we are giving the best expectations that we have right now thought of. The information expectations models and cost gauges in view of the authentic information showed that the cost of ARWEAVE arrived at a typical cost of $59.77 during the last year. The most extreme cost and least ARWEAVE cost levels were $86.20 and $52.58, separately, somewhat recently. From the outset of this current year, the cost of our coin confronted an impressive fall and tried its past help level of $27 somewhat recently. Nonetheless, it recaptured its force back modestly, and at present, it's exchanging above $30. The ARWEAVE cost today is around $33, alongside a market cap of $1,106,452,925 and an exchanging volume of $32,820,891. The typical worth anticipated for the year 2022 is $44. The ongoing all-time high is $90.94. The ongoing complete stock is 63,190,435 R, and the most extreme inventory is 66 million R. ARWEAVE price prediction 2022. The ongoing cost of our crypto is exchanging around $33. According to our cost figure, the ARWEAVE digital currency is anticipated to arrive at any rate level of $42. In view of the cost expectations, the ARWEAVE cost can arrive at a greatest worth of $45. The cost expectation 2022 says that the typical cost all through the year will exchange around $43. As of now, the help level is around $31. Assuming the development keeps on being something very similar, putting would be useful over the long haul. ARWEAVE price prediction 2023. In light of our cost expectation and our own exploration, the cost of ARWEAVE is estimated to arrive at any rate value worth of $48, with a greatest cost of $57 in the year 2023. The ARWEAVE figure predicts the typical cost all through the year is supposed to exchange close $53. ARWEAVE price prediction 2024. According to the information forecast models and ARWEAVE our cost expectation, the base value level of ARWEAVE will be $60. The most extreme cost will be $68, with a typical exchanging cost of around $65 all through 2024. ARWEAVE price prediction 2025. As per the specialized investigation and our cost expectation for the year 2025, the base cost of ARWEAVE, R, will be $65, and the most extreme value level will be $80. According to the ARWEAVE estimate, the typical cost will exchange around $74 in 2025. Putting resources into this coin according to this cost would be useful for the financial backers in the year 2025. ARWEAVE price prediction 2026. The drawn-out cost forecast model shows that the base cost of R is supposed to be $70. The most extreme cost of R will be $89.